Hi and welcome to the Resources Roadhouse. I'm Wally Graham and I'm at the RIU Resurgence conference in Perth, and I'm speaking with Rob Waugh, who's Managing Director of Musgrave Minerals. Now Rob, to say Musgrave's had a successful 2020 would be an understatement. Things have been happening out at the Q project out there in the Murchison region of Western Australia. In particular of late on the Starlight and White Light deposits. Just give us a rundown. What's been happening there?
Yeah, some fantastic results, Wally, for the year. It's been a very successful year for Musgrave. Great results at Starlight. That sort of led the year with the new discovery there. Very high grade, very close to surface. Only 30 k's south of the township of Kew, so in a good area, good infrastructure, 3 k's off the main highway. So that's been really positive. We're continuing to drill, working up towards a resource now that we've had to delay until October at this stage. We've done a lot more drilling than we originally anticipated, and there's been a bit of a slower delay with the labs as well. So that's led to that resource being pushed back to October. On top of that, we made the White Light discovery, just south of Starlight, and lots of upside in the belt, we think.
All right, so you're saying about this will add to the resource. The current resource is on the Lena and Break of Day deposits.
Correct.
And what's that sit at the moment?
That sits at 600,000 ounces at about 3 grams, but we're hoping that Starlight will significantly build on that, so at a very high grade. So We're looking forward to that, getting into that resource base, adding that to the resource base. And on top of that, as I mentioned, we've got White Light, another lode to the south. We're stepping out at the moment, testing new areas to the south, and a big regional program, actually 2 big regional programs underway. One with the Evolution joint venture on the Salt Lake, and the other the 100% Musgrave ground, all around Break of Day, Lena, and to the south as well. So looking for those analogues. So basically repeats of Starlight.
I think you hit on the main point there that the stuff at the Lena Break of Day, the Starlight and the White Light, they are on the 100% owned Musgrave ground.
Yeah, absolutely. And we think, look, exploration is really our focus at the moment in the short term. Build that resource base, and we think there's lots of opportunity for us to make new discoveries. So we're looking forward to the results starting to filter through for the regional programs, as well as final results we're getting from drilling at Starlight. So those should be coming in weeks to come.
All right, so around about the 600,000 mark at the moment. Add on to the Starlight and the White Light, and of course with the prospects regionally, you must be reasonably confident that eventually, not straight away, but eventually you're going to hit the magic 100,000 mark.
Yeah, look, we haven't put a position to aim for at this stage on the resource basis. What we want to do is focus on margin. So we think if we can get high grade, we can really set ourselves apart from the pack here and have really high margin deposits by getting high grade. High grade near surface, perfect for getting better margins for development. So that's our focus for us, not necessarily tonnage.
All right. And as you were saying before, there is a backup of assays at the labs at the moment. I mean, it's a good problem to have. I suppose we'd all like them to come out a little bit quicker, but when they do come, obviously we're anticipating the news will be encouraging.
Right, absolutely. So look, we're fortunate to be in WA in the current situation with COVID. So that WA-based project, WA-based team with WA effectively people coming in and working on the projects as well has meant that we're a little bit isolated from what's happening more globally and more regionally within Australia. So that's been really positive for us, and look, obviously we're thankful for that, and we hope it continues. And it looks forward. We're looking forward to the rest of 2020 and leading into 2021, because I think not only this year, but next year should be some big years for the company.
There's not too many people around the world who are looking forward to the rest of 2020, I don't think, Rob, but it's nice that some of us can. So we will look forward to the rest of 2020 with Musgrave Minerals, but until then, we'll catch you then. Thanks very much.
Thanks, Wally. Always good to be here and great to chat to you again.
Cheers.